Jace, the doctor said we should talk. Why do you think he said that?
I don't know.
Don't you want to talk?
I'm scared.
Don't be scared, honey. You can tell us anything.
It was that day with the mean guy.
Okay.
And there's other people in the room with us.
Really? What did you see?
People that were annoying. There's one lady who stood next to me. She said what those people were doing was very bad. And the bomb was about to go off. She said if I stood by the window, everything would be fine.
So she helped you?
Yes.
What did she do?
She was between me and the bomb when it gone off.
Did she tell you her name?
No?
Do you know who she was?
No. I think that's Grandma Meister.
Jace, Grandma Meister lives in Pindale. She's alive, so she couldn't be an angel.
Okay.
Do you see anyone that looks familiar? See right there? That's Grandma Meister. That couldn't be your angel.
That's her! That's my angel! I think that's too much of a coincidence to be a coincidence. Don't you, Dad?
That's wonderful, Jason. Why didn't you tell us about this sooner?
Because I was scared you won't believe me.